Y'all, we are at Lowe's in Pineville, Louisiana, y'all. Looking for an extra heater fan because two of our heater fans went out already. So, this is all they got left, y'all. Which much of nothing. Say hello, Malia. But yeah, this all they got. Now these here are 200 square feet, $32, but you can get this at Walmart for $25, which we might have to go and get. This one here is 100 square feet. Ideal for rooms up to 100 square feet. That's what I mean, yeah. So basically, this fan will be better than that one. Isn't that something? And a lot of people, I just seen a lady, she put this one here back. She don't want to be dealing with the oil field radiator. This here, 300 square feet. They're $89. No, they're $54. Are they $54? Yeah, the $89 ones are gone. But this all I got left here at Lowe's in Pineville, y'all. Wow. And my daughter went to the Walmart in the ghetto Walmart, North Mall. They're empty, totally empty. So the best bet is at Walmart, Pineville. What's this? Oh, that's just a fan. Okay. We might have to get one of them. Yeah, we might have to get one of these.
Yeah, a lot of them.
With the oscillation. 2 heat settings. Yeah. $49.98. This is it. Lowe's, y'all.